In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the top toolbar on WordPress.com. If you're someone who manages a WordPress website, you know how important it is to have quick access to editing tools and administrative options. The top toolbar is a feature designed to make your workflow smoother, saving you time and effort while managing your site. Whether you're updating content, tweaking your design, or managing settings, enabling this toolbar ensures that everything you need is at your fingertips. So let's dive in and get started. Now, to begin, open your preferred web browser and navigate to WordPress.com. This is the main platform where you'll manage your website, so it's important to start here. Once you're on the home page, look towards the upper right-hand corner and click on the Login button. This will take you to the sign-in screen. Next, select Continue with Google as your login method. This is a popular option because it's both fast and secure. If you already use a Google account for other services, it's a seamless way to access your WordPress account without having to remember additional passwords. After choosing this option, you'll see a list of Google accounts associated with your device. Simply click on the one that's linked to your WordPress site. Now, if you don't see the correct account listed, don't worry, you can always add it manually by selecting the option to use a different account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. On the right-hand side of the screen, look for a section labeled Quick Links. From here, click on the Edit Site button. This will direct you to the site editor where you can make changes to your website. If you manage multiple WordPress sites, you'll now see a list of all the websites associated with your account. Select the one you want to edit by clicking on its name. For those of you who only have one site, this step is even simpler. Just click on your site's name and you're ready to move forward. Now that you're in the site editor, let's locate the option for enabling the top toolbar. In the top right corner of the editor, you'll see an Options button. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a menu with various settings and customizations for your site editor. Inside the Options menu, look for a checkbox labeled Top Toolbar. Check this box to enable the feature. By turning on the top toolbar, you'll have quick access to a variety of editing and administration tools, all conveniently located at the top of your screen. This feature is especially useful for streamlining your workflow, as it minimizes the need to hunt around for different settings or tools while working on your site. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the top toolbar on WordPress.com. With this feature activated, managing your site will feel much more efficient and intuitive. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. So now you know exactly how to access and enable the top toolbar to make your WordPress editing experience smoother. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.